Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Explanation. So in this video tutorial I'll be discussing about computer network video series. So today we'll discuss about HTTP and HTTPS. Okay, so what all topic we are going to cover in this is definition of both HTTP and HTTPS. Okay, next is main difference between them, and next is which is better. Okay, and HTTP and HTTP performance. Fine, so we'll mainly look for these four topics. So let us start from the definition part. So going to what is HTTP. So in simple way we can say that both this HTTP and HTTPS, they are application layer protocol. Okay, they are used in application layer. So they are application layer protocol. So one question can be asked from this part, to which layer this HTTP or HTTPS belongs to. So they are application layer protocols. Next is, we can also say that what is the definition of HTTP. We can say that HTTP protocol, they allow us, okay, they allow us to transfer data from server to client. Okay, so what is the main difference is that in HTTP and HTTPS, HTTPS is a secure protocol. Okay, the S, if you write this HTTP full form, it is hyper text transfer protocol. Okay, and HTTPS, it stands for hyper text transfer protocol, and at the end we have secure. Okay, so this secure stands for the security. So we can understand from here that this protocol is more secure than this. Okay, so how it works, what is its work of both this protocol are, they provide communication between different communication system, we can say. Okay, we can say that they provide communication between different communication system. Okay, so we can also say that, okay, when a user, if you are a user, okay, so if you are making, suppose this is your system, and this is your browser. Okay, browser. Suppose if you are making request on browser to any website, okay, like www.abc.com. okay, so in from there is HTTP, like this, HTTP www.abc.com. so when the user makes an HTTP request on browser, then the web server, suppose this is the web server of abc.com. okay, so this is the web server. So this web server, it sends the requested data to the user in the form of web page. Hence we'll see the web page of abc.com. okay, so when we make a HTTP request on web browser, then the related web server of that organization will send us the web that we are trying to open, and the page opens in our system. Fine, this is definition of, we can say, HTTP. Okay, so next is what is HTTPS? So as I told you, HTTPS is hypertext transfer protocol and secure. And HTTP, it doesn't provide security of data. Okay, it doesn't ensure the security of data. HTTP, it doesn't ensure the security of data, whereas this HTTPS, it ensures the security of data. How? What it does is, it encrypts the data. Okay, you can say that it encrypts the data. So whenever, for example, when to use this HTTPS, or when should we see that whether an organization has website has HTTPS or not, whenever we have to, okay, whenever we have to enter the bank account or our personal data. For example, if you want to, if a site asks you to enter your bank account, your personal information, okay, as well as your login credentials. Fine. So in this case, that particular organization, that particular website should have HTTPS. Okay, so what is the difference? How come we get this S after HTTP? Okay, so we have to request for SSL certificate for this. Okay, so we can say that HTTPS uses an encryption protocol, okay, known as secure socket layer. Fine. So this secure socket layer or SSL is also a security layer protocol only, and this protocol, the mechanism of this protocol, if we say about the mechanism, then mechanism of this SSL protocol is based on asymmetric public key mechanism. Okay, asymmetric public key mechanism. So in asymmetric public key mechanism, we can say that there are three parts. First of all, it is private key. Okay, so this private key, it is available with only one person, and that is with web server. Okay, so it is available with web server, which is managed by the owner of website. We can say. So it helps to decrypts. Okay, it decrypts the information which has been encrypted by the public key, and then we have this public key. Okay, so this key is available with everyone, available to everyone. Okay, as the name suggests, it is public key, is available to anyone. It converts the data into encrypted form. So it encrypts the data. Okay, it encrypts the data and it decrypts the data, we can say. Fine. So what is the main difference between HTTP and HTTPS? So I'll be writing some differences between two. Okay, so let me write some differences between two, HTTP and HTTPS. Fine. So first is the full form. So it is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is Hypertext Transfer Protocol and secure. Okay, so it is not secure, it is secure. Fine. So doesn't use SSL certificate, and this protocol, it uses SSL certificate, we can say. Okay, so next one is port number. So the port number of this HTTP is 80. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, what is the port number of HTTP? What is the port number of HTTP? This is generally this is asked in PSC exam and all. Okay, so next video I'll be making on the port number of various protocols, so it will be easy for you. So here the HTTPS, the protocol is 443. Okay, next is I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fine, 4 protocols are there. So we can say this is the difference between HTTP and HTTPS. Next, going to the performance of HTTPS and HTTP. Okay, next going to the performance of HTTP, and let me write that performance. Okay, so we can say which is better. In the case of better, which is better, HTTP is better or HTTPS is better? So as we know that HTTPS is more secure, so we can say yes, it is better, it is more better. But no, as we provide SSL certificate to this HTTP protocol, hence it makes page loading very slow. Fine. And HTTP here, the page loading is very fast. Fine. So when to use this both protocol? So whenever you are like, you need to just view a website. Okay, view a website, you need to just study something from the website. If you are not providing any personal information or credentials to any website, okay, so in that case this HTTP can be used, HTTP protocol can be used. But the websites where we are going to provide our personal information, for example in hospital, website of hospital, okay, website of bank, okay, website of e-commerce, so in these all we will use this HTTPS. Okay, fine. So where to use this HTTP and HTTPS? Now okay, so I told you the areas where to use this HTTP and HTTPS. Next is what is the difference? So if you are using http command and this is a browser, and if you are writing www.abc.com suppose, so if you are using http command, so this is the case, it will write here not secure. If you are using https and if you are opening www.abc.com, so here an icon like this, lock like icon will appear. Fine. So seeing this only you can say that okay, this site is safe, I can give my credentials here. If you see like this, no, this is not a safe site, so no, you should not give your credentials here. Okay, so next video I'll be making a depth video on SSL certificate. Okay, what is SSL certificate, what are the various types of certificate, and how we acquire this certificate. Fine. So this will be useful. This is very useful topic, so I'll be making next video on this. Till then, stay safe and like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. And if you want me to make videos on particular topics, so you can comment me. Thank you.